How y'all doing? I'm gonna take you in the woods, go hunting with me. Have my GoPro set up, so hopefully get some footage of me sticking an arrow in a deer. There goes the ambulance down the road. Hopefully everybody's okay in that. You can see it's pretty daggone cold out here. Pond's frozen over. Still cold, but hey, it's January. So anyway, we'll head up in the woods here, maybe get some GoPro footage. If not, it'll be fun anyway. All right, bye. It's about 4:30. Still no activity out here. Pretty cold. Looks like my eyebrows are frozen and frosted over. Put my GoPro up because I want to turn it on. The screen didn't look right. I don't know, it was freezing there. Too cold for the LCD screen, but we'll set up for about a half an hour or so. Won't be no action shots anymore without the GoPro, but maybe we'll see one. Get one on the ground. Takes a video. There's a pond behind me back there. Like I said, it's about 4:30. Praying out here for about another half an hour to an hour. About 5:30, it's getting too dark to shoot anyway with the bow. We're gonna set up. My GoPro tripod around that tree. So we'll just hang out here a little bit. Thought I heard something coming there a little bit ago, but it was just the wind. That wind kicks up a little bit. It's cold. All right, bye. Okay, it's about 5 o'clock. Still no action. Sun's pretty well went down. Getting colder. Wind's picking up. My hand was frozen to the. Thought I heard something. Well, I shot at one. I missed. It was a smaller doe. Got down and got my arrow. No blood on it. I'm back in the stand. Just have a feeling there'll be more moving through here soon. So we'll put my phone up for a while. Still better get it till it gets dark. Because obviously I wasn't ready for that deer. Yeah, I tried to pan away around with my phone. Had to look back on the video to see if you could see it walking up. But there's the trail. Hopefully we get some more action here soon. Well, no more action. It's about 5:40. I'll wait about 5 more minutes. I was hoping maybe if I could talk to the camera again, I could be like, oh wait, there's a deer, just like before, but I think I might have spooked anything that was coming when I got down. Anyway, I consider it a good hunt. I thank God for the opportunity to come out here and enjoy his beautiful masterpiece. It's cold, but it's beautiful. Like I said, it's getting colder as the sun's going down. And I was really hoping that since it's so cold, we'd have some more deer action, more movement. Even after I missed one. Because I was trying to make a video, but anyway, thanks for coming along. We'll be climbing down here in a little bit. grease a nice deer chili that my beautiful wife made. So hopefully that warmed me up. My hands, my feet are really starting to ache from being so cold. That's part of it, you know. It's a good time. I enjoy it. There's different levels of enjoyment for hunting. I enjoyed shooting at that doe even though I missed. But I just thank God for the opportunity to do it and be healthy enough to do it. Alright, bye.